Good morning, riders. It is Sunday. Just want to give a quick tip regarding medical kits or first aid kits for the road, and maybe more important for the trail. So I want to show you what I'm carrying here. I'll start with the simple stuff here, what I call a boo-boo kit. That could be just a medical kit like this. With some band-aids, some gauze, some simple stuff. It's really just there to, if you have a cut somewhere, to fix that. I sometimes carry this kit. I always carry this kit. It's called a Mountain Series medical kit, and it also has a splint in there. It's much more complete than just a boo-boo kit. With wound closures, big gauze, big pads. So if somebody has a broken leg, broken arm, wrist, this is the kit I would use to splint and then firm that up until either the paramedics come or we can take them to the hospital. I would also say I recommend carrying more of a trauma kit. So if somebody on the road or off the road get hurt, something, they get under the bike, their foot peg puncture the leg and the femoral artery. If that happens, they will bleed out and die in minutes. So I carry this kit. It's kind of a trauma kit. It is from a company called Dark Angel Medical. They also do training. I took the training class a couple of years ago. It has some really important stuff in it. In no particular order, you have vented chest seals. So if somebody have got something that punctured their lungs, I do have chest seals, so I can fix that in here. I think that's not going to be very likely for a motorcycle accident. It's more if somebody's actually shot, which hopefully don't happen on your trip. There's a tourniquet in here. I have another tourniquet in the saddlebag as well. If somebody has a femoral artery bleeding, you got to put a tourniquet on it. I like the CAT tourniquet. There are others out there. If you never set the tourniquet, the CAT is pretty good, pretty easy to use. It has a windlass on it, so you can tie it down to the size it needs to be to stop the bleeding. I highly recommend practicing before you get out on the road so you actually know how to use it, because time is of essence if you actually have to apply a tourniquet. It also has trauma shears, so I can cut open somebody's jacket, pants, or whatever to get to the area I need to get to. And that really means if they have a bleeding in an area that cannot be tourniqueted, you need to stop the bleeding. I am carrying quick cloth gauze, which you can actually put into the wounds, and the chemical in there helps the blood coagulate so it stops bleeding. So this is a more advanced kit. This was expensive. It's not cheap. I think it was $200. I did buy it when I took the class. They do, if you actually have to use this, I believe they offer that as long as you have a police report and send with it, they will send you a complete new kit for free at no cost to you. So recommend having these things with you at the minimum, a boo-boo kit, but in my opinion, these are life-saving kits that take up some space. Hopefully you never get to use them, but make sure you have them. Make sure you know how to use them. And another important part, surgical gloves. Make sure you have those included as well. You don't want to touch other people's blood if you don't have to. Thanks for watching. That was today's quick tip.